Hey guys! Welcome to this tutorial where we will show you how you can change your team photo in Trello. So, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any browser you like. In the search bar, type Trello and click on the first official website you see. Once you're on the Trello homepage, go to your Boards section. You'll see all your boards listed here. For example, I'm choosing the Sunshine board. Inside the board, if you want to change the team photo to something more professional, click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner, then choose Change Background. From here, you can select solid colors, built-in photos, or you can upload a custom image from your device. That's it! In just a few easy steps, you have successfully updated your Trello board background to match your team's style better.